Okay, this is our rotary continuous furnace. Let's introduce from the very beginning. And this part, you see like the tank stove. Like the tank stove, this is the gas fire system. Or we can call it gas fire stove something. And we put the wood and wood chips and sawdust in it, and we burn it to preheat this big furnace. Okay, this part and this line, because this is the small furnace, you can make the charcoal also. And that is the okay. And here it is what we feed the raw material, like this is the sawdust, rice husk. You put them in and it will screw on board to the body machine, the furnace. And this is the whole body machine furnace. You can see it is the rotary drum, and below here are the burners. You see the fire will go up from here, and you can look the fire situations from here. It's heavy. Okay. And actually, when this furnace preheats this big furnace, you will produce so many combustible gas in this big furnace. But this kind of gas is not that pure. Like you have some tars and wood dampers. So we need this purifier system. Okay. See? The combustible gas will go from that pipes.